Welcome to the new video. As you have completed the social science syllabus for this academic year, it is time to test your preparation and polish what you have already studied. Solving previous year papers and sample papers give a boost in the confidence levels of the students. We are here with one more questions from Civics chapter 1 that are more likely to appear in the examination. All the concepts related to this chapter is well explained in another video. If you have watched the lesson explanation video, it would be easy to answer the questions given here. Please watch the lesson explanation given in English to clarify your doubts. Now let us move on to the questions. Question number 1. What is the capital city of Belgium? The answer is Brussels. Question number 2. Another name for the horizontal distribution of power among different organs of government such as the legislature, executive and judiciary. Answer is checks and balances. Question number 3. What is the language spoken by the people residing in the Flemish region of Belgium? The answer is Dutch language. Question number 4. Most of the Sinhala speaking people in Sri Lanka believe in the religion of. The answer is Buddhism. Question number 5. The act to recognize Sinhala as the early official language was passed in the year. The answer is 1956. Question number 6. What kind of measures were adopted by Sri Lankan government after its independence to establish Sinhala supremacy? The answer is majoritarianism. Question number 7. A general government for the entire country is usually called as. The answer is federal government. Question number 8. Power sharing among different religious or linguistic groups can be named as. The answer is community government. Question number 9. A government disregarding the needs and wishes of the minority community is called as. The answer is majoritarianism. Now we shall take a few MCQ questions from this chapter. Question number 1. Which of the following features are common to Indian and Belgian form of power sharing arrangements? The answer is power is shared among different organs of government, power is shared among different social groups, power is shared among different parties and takes the form of competition. Next question. In dealing with power sharing, which one of the following statements is not correct about democracy? In a democracy, if the power to decide is dispersed, it is not possible to take quick decisions and enforce them. Next question. A belief that the majority community should be able to rule a country in whichever way it wants by disregarding the wishes and needs of the minority is. The answer is majoritarianism. Next question. A system of checks and balances is another name for which one of the following power sharing arrangements? The answer is horizontal division of power or power shared among different organs of the government. Next question. Which one of the following statements about power sharing arrangements is correct? Every society needs some form of power sharing even if it is small or does not have social divisions. Next question. Consider the following statements about the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. So the best options are major social groups are the Sinhala speaking 74% and Tamil speaking 18%. Among the Tamils there are two subgroups, Sri Lankan Tamils and Indian Tamils. There are about 7% Christians who are both Tamil and Sinhala. Next question. Prudential reasons of power sharing stress on the facts that the best options are: it ensures the stability of political order, it reduces the possibility of conflict between social groups, it gives a fair share to minority. Fill in the blanks. When European countries came together to form the European Union, Dash was chosen as the headquarters. Next question. The distribution of power is also called a system of checks and balances. Question number 3. The religion followed by Sinhala speaking people in Sri Lanka is? Question number 4. Division of power means power to be shared among the government at different levels. Question number 5. In the country of Dash, leaders realize that unity of the country is possible by respecting the interest of different communities. Next question. In the year of Dash, an act was passed to recognize Sinhala as the only official language. If you have any doubt regarding the questions and concepts from this chapter, please drop a comment in the comment box. We will come back to you at the earliest. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, please consider subscribing the channel to get latest videos from full chapter CBSE guide. Thank you for watching.